Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Sammy. We back. It's day 12, I believe. It's day 12 of me trying to become profitable day trader. We on our grind. And yeah, let's get straight to this. All key levels are marked out already. I did wake up earlier. I did wake up early today. Your boy, I gotta lock in. Gotta start waking up earlier. And I'm here on the Nasdaq. Marked out my key levels already. We got the London session high followed by the London session low down here with this 1 hour fair value gap, followed by the Asian session high and the Asian session low all the way down here. As of right now, it looks like it's breaking structure to the downside, but based off my key levels, it is looking bullish based off this 1 hour fair value gap as it came down and touched it. Hasn't been disrespected. When I was looking for the 1 hour fair value gaps, I did find more fair value gaps actually right here. I found this one right here. It's a fair value gap right here, but got disrespected. As you guys can see, got disrespected right here on this candlestick. And then we also had this bearish fair value gap right here that got disrespected on this candlestick right here. The blue one broke out of it. As you guys can see right there. Yep. So, yep, we saw this one that hasn't been disrespected. Actually, it's getting respected, might get respected by this candlestick right here, but looks like if we scale down to the 5-minute, it looks like market already opened, as you guys can see right here. It's 9:32. It's already looks like it's gonna close below the London session high. It might even just come down and touch the 1 hour fair value gap just to respect it. Maybe we can see a breakout and get a little bit of confirmation, or if it does disrespect the 1 hour fair value gap, then it can give us more information that market does want to swing to the downside. But look, as you guys can see, it is coming down and touching the 1 hour fair value gap. So we're gonna mark out our 5-minute lows and highs. So this is our most recent high right here, and our most recent low would be right here. So it looks like it broke structure to the downside. So we are in a downtrend as of right now. We are downtrend, as it is gonna break structure to the downside here on this. Well, unless we see a pullback or retrace pullback all the way, but I doubt it. After 1 minute and a half. After that, we can possibly find a. Well, I'm not gonna say anything yet, cause it's too early yet. It's too early. But I can ask AI, of course. I love AI, So I'm gonna go ask AI, see maybe more or less give me an analysis. Obviously, I'm not gonna take my trades off based off the AI, but it gives me an extra analysis, So let's just see what it says. All right, okay, chill the fuck out. Chill out, dude. And we also have these highs from Friday and I don't know what, but who cares about that right now? All I care is about what's going on right now. That's all I care about. We need to make money today, bro. We're going to be trading over here on Top Step again as well, But today, we're going to make sure to get in with 2 contracts because, okay, it closed. It closed already. So it didn't disrespect it, which is a good sign. Still bullish. We just gotta wait for this to speak to us for right now, and then maybe we can find the fair value gap right here, a bearish fair value gap that can maybe get disrespected, giving us an inverse fair value gap, giving us confirmation, and then we'll look for continuation, and then we'll scale down to a 1 minute. We're just looking for confirmation right now. As of right now, it's probably gonna have to be the inverse fair value gap that we're probably gonna find here. Okay, so we're probably gonna make a new low all the way down here, but it is, like I said, it's giving us a little bit of confirmation right here based off this 1 hour fair value gap as it came down and touched it. So it's looking bullish right now. Let's see what AI actually ended up saying. So AI said that the bias right now short term, it's bearish for some reason. Key levels to watch is 21,760, 21,710. What's likely next? Expect a downside continuation to 21 unless buyers defend hard. If buyers reclaim 21,890, that would flip the structure back to bullish. 21,890, which would be up here, which is the most recent high. So we can claim all this high over here, so we can potentially see, we can potentially go all the way up. No. AI didn't really give me too much information right now. Bullish zones to watch out. Chill, bruh. Chill out, bruh. It says if price reclaims and holds above 21,940, which would be all the way up here, which is the key level, the London session high. Momentum could shift bullish, could become a breakout support if the market turns. Okay. Not really helping me, but alright. I'll just ask it again. After this candle closure, we'll ask it again and see what's up from there. But most likely we're gonna have to target these levels up here. If anything, maybe right here. Maybe there. But it's because, bro, did I take out, bro, what the hell? Oh, it's because I ended up taking the key level from yesterday or from Friday. Whatever, we don't really care about that. But damn, brother. So most recent high, pre-market, and then most recent low. It's all the way down here now, most recent low. Alright, let's get this. Yeah, okay, so we have this equilibrium chart. Obviously, I realize that equilibrium charts works like if it comes down over here, if the price comes down, and we're always trying to look for discounted price, you know? So here, it looks like price was coming down. So discounted price would be right here. And if it comes all the way down here, breaking this 1 hour fair value gap and breaking out of the equilibrium, or just as long as it breaks out of the fair value gap, then for sure we're bearish. But here, if I do see this equilibrium chart get broken out of, it's also disrespecting, or it's not disrespecting, it's breaking structure to the upside on this most recent high, giving us really bullish signs. So we'll probably end up taking the trade if we see a break of structure right here to the upside, followed by the 1 minute break of structure when we scale down. But that's our analysis for right now. Let me get rid of this. Most recent low followed by the most recent high. Most recent low was over here, broke structure to the downside. We're still in a downtrend, but like I said, we are bullish as fuck. So that's my analysis. I don't know. I feel like we're bullish right now, really bullish. It says bias right now is bullish on the short term. I ended up asking AI again. It says bullish right now on the short term. First resistance zone would be 21,900, which would be right here, 21,900. Right above the breaking out of the equilibrium box, that would be the first resistance zone. Second target zone would be 21,944, 21,968, which would be the London session high, or 21,468, which would be over here. And then extended target would be high time frame order block, which would be 006 or 040, which would be all the way up here. Yeah, basically, yeah. I have it all marked out already, basically. And then if price breaks and closes below 21,750, market likely revisits 21,710. Yeah, so basically, if it breaks literally the fair value gap, then we're going down. Basically, I already had that all marked down. So first we just gotta break out of this equilibrium chart, and then we could find entry. But it's still early. It's still 9:43. Like I said, we're not trying to take trades till after 9:50 unless we find like the setup. You know, we have to get set up really good. So right now it looks like it might break out of this equilibrium chart. We still haven't made new highs. We still haven't made new. I mean, it's the same low, same high, which is why we have this equilibrium chart working. So we can see breaker structure to the upside here. Really bullish, bro. Really bullish. Money, 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 money. And today, 2 contracts, so we can have 2 take profit targets and make more money because, or we lose more money. But fuck it, hey, double. Either we make more money or we lose. I feel like we make more money in the long run when we take 2 contracts. I don't know why. I'm back. I wasn't even gone for long and shit. But yeah, so it looks like it's about to break structure to the upside right here. We might end up taking a trade literally right now after these 30 seconds. But we just need candle closure above this equilibrium box and we're in. So most likely we're gonna enter price at this level. Target this, take profit real quick, and then we'll go all the way up here. Second take profit maybe. Or I might actually... Oh, how long for me? Yeah, okay, we're taking the trade. Cool. Bro, are you serious right now, bro? You can't be serious.
Order filled.
Okay, we're in. My fucking internet, bro, is fucking stupid. Oh, okay, we're in. All right. Okay, so we'll just leave this all the way down here. We'll play with it right now, but we're in. Okay, so we broke structure to the upside already. We just go down to a 1 minute. We broke structure right here on the we broke structure on the 1 minute. We broke out of the equilibrium box, and boom, we're in. Cool. I like the trade. Plus, it's already 9:50. Literally right on the 9:50 mark. Cool. All right, so we enter that. We go over here. We enter that. 21,899. Wait, what the hell? I entered at 21,899. No way, I did. No way, I entered that. At that price. Is it the same price? Yeah, probably. 21,899. That's what I entered at. Since when did price go all the way down there? I don't remember it coming all the way down there. Whatever. Alright, so first target take profit would be 21,943, which is 21,943. That's our first take profit. 21,943. 43. Market sell 1.
Order filled.
Wait, what do you mean order filled? Oh. Yeah, it says sell. Wait. Yeah, I'm selling 1 contract at 21,943. Nice. So that would be... But how does that make sense though? That doesn't make sense. It would be 71 times 2, no? Bro, what? That's 142. I'm so confused. How many contracts am I working right now? Does anyone know? No, I sold a contract, boys. I sold one. Oh my fucking god, I can't beat that ass. Market, no. I sold one, bro. Oh my god, I'm fucking stupid. Oh my fucking god, I can't beat that ass. limit stop buy at I don't even fucking know what I'm doing, bro. Come on. Let's just take full profit right here at 21,943, bro. For fuck's sake. How do I put market buy? Stop buy. What is it? Limit sell or stop buy? Bro, is stop market buy like, oh my god, bro, I don't even fucking know, man. Are you dead ass with me right now? Ay, bro, come on. Let me ask you that real quick. Oh, no. Not that. Bro, I'll just do it manually. Fuck that. What is the price at? 21? Limit sell 1 at 22. Is that how it works? Bro, how do you take profits here? Market buy 1. I can't believe I sold 1. Bro, I ended up selling 1 contract. Fucking hell. That's crazy. I'm not gonna buy another contract. Fuck that. That's stupid, bro. I fucking hate this. Unless price comes all the way down. Again. I could honestly take trade.
Order filled.
Alright, now we're in for 2 contracts. Cool. Honestly, I'll just manually fucking do this shit. I don't give a fuck. Alright, we're in for 2 contracts now. Right here it says 2. First one, we're going to take profit at 21,943. So, we'll sell 1 at 21,943. I don't know. Alright. Top step. I'll let me figure this out real quick. Alright, so I figured it out. I figured it out. So, we ended up entering price. We had positions at 21,899. Which was down here? No. Bro, where are we, bro? Oh, we're about to sell. Okay. Fuck. So one market.
Order filled.
Alright, we sold 1, guys. Oh, we're in. We sold 1 contract already. So, we're going to move our stop loss to 21,943. Stop loss at 21,9... break even. Which would be where we entered position. Right? Correct? Yeah. So now we're targeting all the way up here. Bro, I need to get better at this. So now we're going to break even at 21,9 something. Boom, baby. I need to get way faster at this. Way better at this, actually. And our take profit, I don't even care about this. Look, boys, we're in the green. We're already up $88. Crazy. Cool, break even because we took profit. No. Wait, what? Yeah, so we took profit already here at 21 something. So now our next target would be 22.0. Bro, there's so many things going on the right side over here. I can't even understand. But at 22.030, we'll take full profits. All right, let's go over here. Limit sell at 22.030. Right there. Okay, there. So there we'll take full profits. We already made $88, or I don't even know. Yeah, 88. So that means we ended up doing a 88 divided by 2, 44x. 44x. We did a 44x on the one contract. So now we're on the second contract and we're trying to do a 115x, which would be 230 plus 88. We're trying to make $300 today, boys and girls. If you guys are watching, girls. But look, okay. Damn, bro, my analysis was on point today too. Crazy, bro. I'm just trying to understand why all these numbers are all like throwing me off, like they're not making sense. But let me just see if from where we entered, if this was a 44x from the 21907. Let me just take all this off, bro. It's pissing me off. So at first I was at 21907 right here, right? We ended up taking profit right here, somewhere around there. I don't even remember. It says I bought, where's today? June 23, right? Over here. It says June 23, I bought 2. Bought another one, and then I sold one at 21,947, which was like right here. So I did like a 40x. 40 times 2. I did like $80, yeah. Yeah, which is like right here. Probably. I don't know. And then when I bought, I don't even know. Bro, I need to be way better at this. Hold up. I'm getting so good. What the? Oh, chart, the chart boys. Oh my god. Look at the charts looking beautiful. So if we end up coming back down, we'll only lose 550, which is nothing. It's chill. I don't even want to mess with it no more. But so it looks like we have the second contract at an average price of 21,914, which is right here, 21,914, and then we're looking to take profits all the way up here, and we're trying to break at 21,911, right? Boom. 2 times 3 is $6, and we're gonna lose like $6. Yeah. Okay, makes sense. And then up here, 115. I said it was 115 times 2, which is 230. 230 plus the 80 bones. That's a $300 day today. Damn, bro. Look at this shit. My analysis is going crazy though. We tested the 1 hour fair value gap. We broke out of the equilibrium chart. It broke structure to the upside, and boom. I was just getting confused off all these things because all these markers, because they were all green and red, and I couldn't see which one I was in. But whatever, as long as we're getting this shit right. I'm only going. Oh yeah. I ended up. Oh yeah. So this take profit was because of this 5-minute high over here from Friday. But it's a good. I feel like it's a good take profit. I would have targeted this all the way up here, but I feel like that's too much. Nah, that's too much. Chill. This is doable. I feel like this might be doable. And like I said, if we do come back down, we'll end up losing $5 and leaving us with a full profit of $80 for the day. You know, nothing crazy, but hey, money is money, bro. Green. If we're in the green at the end of the day, that's all that matters. So I realize now that by limit selling, you're taking partial profits. By limit, like if you enter 2 contracts, you limit sell 1. That's how you take profits. I was trying to figure that shit out, and I was trying to figure this shit out over here. So I was like all over the place. I was like, what the fuck? But as long as we did it manually, real quick, we were chilling. You know how I said that I was gonna secure profits all the way up here? Well, I think I'm gonna end up securing profits here literally right now. Bro, we're already in the green like hella. Look, and price came up all the way up here, touched this 5-minute high over here, and I'm not gonna risk it no more. So we're just gonna take profit. We're gonna secure it. So we're gonna sell. Wait, what's price at right now? No, came down. It was literally at 22,000, bro. Nah, but yeah, I'm literally gonna secure profits. Literally right here, like right. Yeah, I'm securing profits, boys. Bro, all right. If it comes back up here, I'll sell. I'll sell. You see it, bro? Emotions be getting to you, bro. Nah. I might just take the full profits right here. I can't even lie. I wouldn't even be mad. So right now we're in the green 150 plus the 80. That'll be like a $230 day, which is not bad. So I might just call it there, maybe. Bro, what's it doing? Go back up, bro. Hit 22,000 and I'm out. Nah, whatever. I'll sell.
Order filled.
The fucking day, bro. The fucking day. Happy with my analysis. I just secured the dub. I was like, nah, no more. I just secured. I know we're supposed to hit other key levels, but we don't see other key levels. So I ended up just going based off these 5-minute highs. Obviously, 5-minute highs all the way up here. We have these 5-minute highs over here from Friday. I was targeting this 5-minute high, but I was like, nah, we could also target this 5-minute high. It did end up hitting it. Bro, like 90x, como quiera, that shit's fucking gas, bro. 90 times 2, that's like 180 plus the $80 that I made earlier. That's like 260. So as you guys can see here, our P&L for today was 258, which is fire, bro. Imagine I would have traded the actual Nasdaq, like the mini one. You just multiply that by 10, so we would have made $2,500 today, bro. That's crazy. But like I said, like right now I'm just testing. I don't really want to trade the actual mini Nasdaq because I can literally get stopped out off 2 contracts and lose the account real quick. So I'm just gonna be taking my time with the micro, as the losses can be too heavy on me. And I mean, I can still make a decent amount of money. Literally, I can still pass the account by trading the micro Nasdaq, so which is fire. And I just want to use this as basically like a demo trade. I wanted to use this like a demo trade as well, because like I said, every day I'm just journaling my trades. I'm doing new trades, see what I did wrong, see what I did right, you know. And honestly, I feel like I've been doing good. Like today, we took a $258 profit day. Like when in the fuck did I think I was gonna make $258 just chilling on my computer, like going based off charts and stuff? Never did I think that. Obviously, I've always seen people do it. I never thought that I would be doing it, but we're here now. This would be my 9th trade, like my actual, like if I'm considering like of all the trades that I took, that based off all the information that I knew, this is my 9th trade. But I'm sure we could see price. I'm sure I'm gonna see price come up all the way up here, but I didn't want to risk it, so I was like, nah, fuck that. I know when it comes to real money, I'm gonna be the same way, because I'm the type of person to not get greedy. Sometimes it can get to me where like, nah, fuck this, I'm gonna get greedy or whatever. But I just feel like in life you can't really get greedy. Just in general, you can't get greedy. You just gotta be happy with what you have, and I was happy with what I had here. $260 day though. That's not even what I would make at work, bro. Like I'm working 9 to 5, 260. That's probably like a whole 2 weeks paycheck. I don't know. I'm telling y'all, this can change my life. You know, this can potentially change y'all lives, my life, anyone's life when it starts getting to the real deal. You know, but honestly, analysis was good. If we wanted to recap real quick, we just went based off this 1 hour for value gap. It came down and touched it. We saw this equilibrium chart get broken out of, and it broke structure to the upside. So we ended up taking trade right here. We ended up actually taking the trade at 21,899 right here. So we would have gotten a way better position. But since I was messing up over here, it threw me off. That was a dub, clean dub. It took me what? 30 minutes? It was like 30 minutes. It took, because I entered trade like at 9:50. It's already 10:30. 9:50, 10:10, 10, 10:10, 10:20. Like 30 to 40 minutes for me to make all this money. Chill. Nothing crazy. Nah, but I mean, we're still trying to pass the account. We have to make more than $3,000 in the account to pass the account. Today was a dub though. Today was day number 12 of me trying to become profitable day trader. I'm happy with today's session. Hopefully tomorrow's the same way. We just gotta keep this streak going and minimize our losses. Obviously, we learn every day something new, which is good. We're always learning. We're always open to learn. You should always be open to learn. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you guys haven't so. And peace.